Welcome back. Welcome back to Reading Mix. Today is 14th of Jan, Wednesday. Price action worked out a little bit, but we didn't take that many trades. Let me show you. Uh, let's see if we can take any trades right now. I hope you can see my screen. This was the trade that we took, and yeah, it gave a risk free. It gave us this risk free. We entered here. It gave us the risk free, but the problem was it took our risk free just by just. See, 25. I think we should have. Yeah, I should have incorporated 26 into the 60 whips ka sell, so that 25 would be incorporated. So that's a miss from my side. Okay. Because I just didn't see. Was seeing this high and low, but I forgot that 625 is a level that would have been a good SL. So that is what it's doing currently. I think if you were in this trade, you would have been up at least 100, 120 pips. But yeah, bad luck in this trade. Anyway, risk-free trade doesn't need to cry about it. Let's see what we can do right now in this market. Today, market was consolidating and giving us something. Oh, so I don't if you remember this. In the morning also we took a trade that also gave us risk-free. Maybe our TPs has some kind of when we are expecting more from gold than what it's actually giving us. Uh, surely this one, this trade in the morning I gave it this trade. So we had what moment? 31 to 40 a moment, right? 31 to 39, whatever, which is 80 pips come. Then it fell down from there. And the logic for this trade was all-time high, and when it came to retrace, auto block here, fair value gap here. So it's just a scalp trade that I was thinking about, but I thought, ki why not go to 648? But it didn't. Uh, it's roaming around at all-time highs. So that doesn't happen a lot with gold. See, a lot of consolidation. That is unreal consolidation we're seeing right now. And I think there's a formation of a trend line here. See, I think that trend line will work out. What is happening? Hmm. I think that trend line will work. What? Okay, I need to do. Hmm. I think they changed the settings of trading view because I am able to do it twice. Okay, let me have a navigation option. This makes sense. Hmm. I think I should have this into favorites as well. Hmm. Fine. Yeah, they changed the rules of trading view. Yeah, see, it took our SL, now it's going to TP. And this was a fair value gap. This was a fair value gap. And yeah, when it came to that, and also 4,600. Always told you 4,600 there will be a good move, and that was this in the 8:30 around that time. I've missed this one. That is five, what, 250 pips, 260 pips we missed. But let's see. Another buying I would not expect here. Let's see selling where we could capture anything. Or should we double bottom buy? Two things. Let's see this close, this candle close. If this closes properly, I think we can have a move till 589. Selling looks imminent. I just want that to happen. 1 hour also. Yeah, I mean 50 to 60% say it's falling. And I sold a little bit in my account. But this is not my account, by the way. This is just something that trading you give. But I usually trade in MetaTrader, the different broker, of course. Mm, I use XNES as well. Let's see some selling on the good candle closure. Then a retest. Retest six. Let me tell you where I need a retest. Mm, let's say the low is this only, and the retest should happen 50%, 60%. 615. I would love to sell. 650. What happened? 615. I would love to sell. Or 614 say we can start selling. But good candle close, then retest. And also next 15 minutes. Mhm. I think I think we'll have a trade in next 15 minutes when we have 4 hour opening. 4 hour opening will happen in next 15 minutes. So then I think we can have a top pick or not. Uh, as 4 hour पे तो very bearish. See how bearish it looks. So 4 hour पे I'll expect a little bit a little bit upside move and a top wick and just then dump. Because there is a fair value gaps in towards the downside, and also there is a gap of opening some 2 days ago. No, no, today only we had a gap opening. Interesting. And before also we had a gap of opening, if I remember correctly. Yeah, here is 10th Jan. That is also there. This is also there. I think it's finally coming to those positions. DXY recovering, DXY recovering. That's why we're seeing a selling momentum in gold. Yeah, we missed this trade, guys. We missed this trade by what pips? 10 pips, no? 10 pips. If our SL would have been 10 pips more, we would have been risk-free there regardless because I think this movement that it gave towards the downside was 80 pips. So we'd have been risk-free regardless, but we didn't. Our SL should have been 10 pips up, 625 tak, then we would have survived that. Okay, so we're getting some upside movement. Good candle. It's a good candle. I need now, yeah, I need it to come to this region, 14 to 16.5 region. Right, guys? You can do this. There's a auto block here as well. I don't think that will be. Rather than that, this will be used. This has more. Right, yeah, I have to check, guys. Hmm, selling to है, but there has been a trend line that has been formed. Now I don't think it will happen. Retest of that trend line. I don't think now it will happen. We need, yeah, we need retest here. Hmm, 6, 13, 14 पे अगर retest कर लिया 30, 40 वेब से we can sell. Hmm, 15 पे करते हैं क्योंकि it's falling. It should fall from a good level. 15, 14.9 ऐसा करते हैं. Lower sell रख के 30, 30 pips का. And yeah, we should take this out. On 70 pips should be easy. ठीक है. For this trade, this would have been our TP by the way. 150 pips I would have targeted. Anyways. But yeah, anyway. Uh, After consolidation, we have a breakdown. So I'm waiting for its continuation. 1 hour पे it looks bearish. All the fair value gaps covered though, but it's bearish. Or it would consolidate. Only two things will happen. Okay. Hmm, what else are we looking for? Give me a minute. I have just one thing to check regarding this. Mm, Give me just a minute. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah. Uh, we are already because I want to wait till the 4 hour opening. That's what my thinking is. So I don't want to take this if this region is attained before 4 hour का opening, we are not going to enter it. We'll wait. We'll see topic कहाँ पे fall हो रहा है. Then we'll sell. If topics falls after this closing below somewhere here, then topic लेता है. So then only we'll do. Before that we won't do. If this forms a engulfing candle, then also we have to think and we should think thoroughly of what we're taking. And KXY support seemingly going towards the upside. Hmm, selling is there. See, for जैसे touch किया 50%, it started some kind of a reaction here. Still, we need that 4 hour opening. then only you'll have liquidity or volatility, then you can trade upon it. You just have to wait another 8 minutes or 7.5 minutes, whatever that is, to get this done. And let me place my order in case, just in case. Just 16.5 minutes to go. But you can see that 50% is working. But one thing that I'll tell you, if closure of this candle or the next candle happens above this 60% level, then that's probably the time that we should get out of the trade, get out of the whatever selling bias. That will constitute the buying bias for us, and we will start buying from this area 13 when it tests back. So that all depends upon the test for us. When the retest happens, then only we'll have as least SLs as possible. Yes, 5 minutes to go. Let's see 5 minute candles also. They're reacting. There's a good candle, good buying candle here. Mm, Seeing if we can find any pattern that I'm missing and see a pattern. Here it is. A little bit upside. Then okay, let's see. This trade is still invalid. We have to wait for the confirmation. 5 minutes to go. 5 minutes. You just need that confirm top wick or bottom wick in the next 5 minutes. Then we'll understand key what to do with the trade. This momentum is incoming. Hmm, let's see what it does here. And also let's see how it behaves here. Because 50%, I don't think it has took resistance from. Just 5 minutes, mein, it took 1 minute. I think it gave a red candle. That's all. Not so much as we expected. 2.5 minutes to go. And there, let's see DXY as well. DXY is going up. DXY is going up. Is there news that we missed? President Trump speaks yesterday. The move that we needed happened. PPI to 7 p.m. पे हो गया. And PPI is core PPI is bad for USD. Retail sales were good. Core retail sales were good, but only core PPI wala was which is the metric that everybody sees. So that could be some reason for that, for the fall of USD, but it's recovering. If this recovers, we're golden on our trade. 60% pay. You can try a scalp, very small scalp right now. Very small, I would suggest. 15 से यहाँ से a small scalp. ठीक है, also do little scalp. Let's see how it reacts. Stop wick. Hmm. I think it will go keep closing above this level. If it gives, why is this? Yes, this is a little frustrating. Hmm. Yeah, let's see. And close, probably it will close above only, above this only, or by some sort of miracle, if it closes over here, that's selling के लिए, it's a good thing. If you are in the scalp, कैंडल क्लोज होने के पहले ही निकाल दो, जो भी मिल रहा है 10 पे, जितना भी है, take it out. Yeah, take it out, guys. And now is the real deal. Real deal now है. So when I think if selling happens, it will take out this entire entire what we call it entire candle and close somewhere below here if it wants to go into sell in this 15 minutes only. Uh, that is trade that we observed along back. This happens. This can happen. But told you ना टॉप विक करेगा उसके बाद ही, तो टॉप विक अभी एंटर नहीं करना है, अभी एंटर नहीं करना है. टॉप विक अच्छी जगह बनाएगा, जैसे कि ऐसा 90-20 ऐसा. 4 hour की candles देखते हैं, will understand more. 4 hour, yeah. It could be very small also because देखो कहाँ पे जाना पड़ रहा है उसको, है 624 तक. uh, it can go, but I don't think it will. 60% वाला वर्कआउट कर रहा है. uh, ये थोड़ा स्कैल्प कर रहा हूँ. टॉपिक नहीं बन रहा है, ठीक है, यही से कर लेते हैं अगर फिर आता है तो. एंड 50% क्लोजिंग तो नहीं हुआ है, सो दिस विल नॉट बी अ बाइंग ट्रेड. सेलिंग कर सकते हो वैसे. 40 विप्स का रिस्क रखते हैं. हम्म। let's see क्या होता है। टॉप पे के 50% को टच करके फिर से जा रहा है, बिना बिना ऊपर के क्लोजिंग के। ठीक है, देखते हैं। एंड दिस विल बी 13 to 50 pips ऊपर है। ऑलराइट, टेक्स also is going up. Gold is going up. I think gold is trying to find that top wick, and I think that top wick is ऊपर ही है। I think the first trade that we should I kept was correct. यही वाला 20। यहाँ पे कर दो गैस, फिर से कर दो। 20 पे कर दो। अगर नई एंट्री की है तो 20 पे कर दो। अब स्कैल्प लेना था हमें, तो डन स्कैल्प हियर towards the buy side। Why not? 1 minute। रेड कैंडल बननी चाहिए। हम्म। और गेटिंग कंफर्मेशन गाइस, ज्यादा ज्यादा बुलिश भी नहीं दिख रहा है, ज्यादा सेलिंग भी नहीं दिख रहा है, लेकिन देयर इज बुलिशनेस। आई थिंक we should keep this straight into our playbook। हम्म। 24 पे कर सकते हैं तो इट विल बी बेटर गाइस। लेट्स सी, हमें दूसरा वाला कुछ एंट्री मिलता है तो। डबल बॉटम इज giving a good movement। देखते हैं। Very bad uh, closing, guys. This candle is bad closing for 5 minutes. If you are in this trade, please take it out at 20 break even पे or somewhere around 10 pips, 5 pips भी चलेगा. Very different price action today. DXY is going up and still gold is also going up. I think this low had better value than we give credit for. यहाँ पे भी अगर हो तो आ सकते हो इस ट्रेड पे. और अभी इस कैंडल पे ये कर सकते हो, इस कैंडल पे सेल कर सकते हो. बट यहाँ पे तो डबल टॉप बनेगा मे बी और यहाँ पे कंसोलिडेट होगा. मेरे को लगता है कंसोलिडेट होगा. सेलिंग छोड़ ही देते हैं आज. सेलिंग आई डोंट थिंक इज वर्किंग. बाइंग लेना है लेकिन लेना होता तो इधर ही लेना लेना था. Consolidation, guys. I mean, we will be stuck in consolidation if we do this. But ओवरऑल पे सेलिंग है. आई थिंक सेलिंग होगा. फिर भी कहाँ से होगा? दैट्स अ डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. 4 आवर पे है. 4 आवर बोल रहा हूँ ना कि यहाँ पे 624 पे एक ट्राई कर सकते हैं. स्कैल्प वाला तो भी. अब ये तो 623 से ही गिर रहा है. बट this buying we should have, because this was engulfing candle, we should have taken that buying. But DXY का only problem था कि DXY was rising. That's the only one reason that we didn't take buying in gold. Yesterday we had the same kind of thing, but DXY was moving the opposite direction. So I guess I was doing something else. I forgot I was doing for a moment there. हम्म, भाई कर ले क्या वैसे? ट्राई कर ले भाई। कर सकते हैं। आई थिंक इट्स टोटली पॉसिबल। थोड़ा रिस्क करके कर लेते हैं चलो। बहुत छोटा रिस्क रखो और कर लो। ये नाउ वी हाँ 60% तो कर ही लिया। बढ़िया है। तो बाइंग सही जाएगी। नहीं बाइंग कर लिया। बहुत छोटा ऐसा लगता है। 20 पिप का। रिस्क फ्री भी हो जाना। ठीक है। थोड़ा टाइम लगा लेकिन दिस ट्रेड शुड वर्क आउट। फिर भी स्कैल्प ही रहेगा 70 का स्कैल्प। रिस्क फ्री हो जाओ एंटर हो जाओ। हम्म, देखते हैं कितना। 65 पे 60 ओके 26 तक गया। सही है। बिकॉज देयर वाज अ फेयर वैल्यू गैप एट 4 आवर का टाइम फ्रेम। फेयर वैल्यू गैप कवर हो गया एंड इट्स स्टिल गोइंग अप। सो 25, yeah, this could be a good trade. Let's stay in this trade. Let's go. 45 pips. 45 pips. Hmm, 80 pips तो कर सकते हैं। There's a high here. Risk free हो जाना guys. Risk free हो जाना। 900 also looks good. And a little later 23 में कुछ हुआ था मेरा। But same ऐसा ही है। So 80 pips should be able to do, but there's a lot of wicks here, and yeah, I don't think that should be a problem. 5 minutes में एक बार देख लेता है। 30 हो सकता है प्रॉब्लम। 30 पे रखते हैं। 30 70 पिप्स 70 पिप्स का टारगेट होगा। देखते हैं। लो रिस्क हाई रिवॉर्ड ट्रेड बनवा सकते हैं इसको। वी कैन मेक इट लो रिस्क हाई रिवॉर्ड ट्रेड। Sorry guys. Should we have what happened? What just happened? ऑलमोस्ट टीपी हिट हो गया। फिर से आ गया पीछे। बट क्लोजिंग तो बढ़िया है। क्लोजिंग लुक्स वेरी गुड। बट स्टिल इट कैन कवर दिस गैप। But worry not because look at this moment in this engulfing only. I think gave a lot of it away. And the next one would be somewhere सॉलिड करेगा मे बी 40 पे होगा 40 पे यहाँ पे वी कैन हैव सेलिंग गाइस ट्रेंड लाइन के हिसाब से and also another thing if you remember it or not I told you this is the 60% level this is the 50% level of this range when closes above this 60% then retraces to the 50% that is our trade if you remember it or not so that can happen I hope it happens after our TP. That's the only thing I wish for. If not, uh, we'll remove the trade it this only what entry only. Okay, we missed it by two or three pips. I don't know. I wasn't paying much attention to it. It's something like that. Mm, 393. Why here? There's nothing there. As per say, is the DXY doing something else? It's falling, which is good for gold. But yeah, this trade ideally should take out this high, guys. There's a liquidity here as well. But trend line है तो 635 from not from this I'm telling you this movement whichever was there I think we should have entered here but we can have another entry when it comes back to the 50%. That would look like something like this. This is the 50% level of this region. 20 पे 21 20 ऐसा then सही है क्या होगा हम्म, हम्म, तो ज्यादा नहीं देना चाहिए इसको 20 भी चलेगा क्योंकि वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग इट टू बी शार्प मूव होना चाहिए then only will it make sense take it hey, we're getting some movement towards the upside 80 pips दे चले बस 70 pips दे चले थोड़ा क्वांटिटी बुक कर लेते हैं इधर ये पूरा बुक कर लेते हैं लॉट ऑफ फेयर वैल्यू गैप है तो लेट्स बुक ऑल ऑफ इट एंड we'll come back for this trade more potential more can happen in this trade 21 के पास I think we went yeah we went into consolidation. Let's see if it takes out the high as formed. Too much. 29. We just missed it by 5 pips, guys. 5 pips. I think gold is doing to us from a long time. Okay, some moment. Let's go. Just another 20 pips to go. Almost there. Volatility. Mm. But DXY moves just yeah. This is this is what I wanted. This happens. Gold will take out the high. Yeah. See? Exactly my point. Try to close it, guys. Uh, 1 minute may let's see. 1 minute may if it gives good closing, you can stay in the trade as well. But I would recommend that you exit only. Mm, yeah, that's a good candle. That's a good candle. Was good green candle. Closing about this. 30 pe there is a resistance. Let's- yeah, let's go, guys. 70 pips in the chat. 70 pips in the chat. Take if we can hold. It's difficult. 70 pips is fine because let's do this trade now when it comes to this. So yeah, that's all. Mm, it was a 1:3 cut trade. Very fast scalp. Yeah, it was what it was. My TP also got hit. Let me put my this one, no? This entry is I'm interested in that. Uh, there's a fair value gap. I know there is a bigger fair value gap here. Mm, it's a difficult thing. 30 says should we have done selling scalp because yeah, see 30 say we can see some kind of movement, but that will be too much. Yeah, because this kind of big move, but I need much more than just 630 करके. 650 होता तो yeah, I would say कि yeah, let's do it. 630 है, let's not. Let's find the buying level that I'm talking about now. This buying level, and we should be fine. Higher time frame should be, I think we should be fine. Hmm. It's very good candle that it has formed just now. Crazy candle. And also after following the 50-60%, now it can take out the all-time high. Well, has still potential. ठीक है, that's all guys. Great session. Great session. We tried selling, didn't work out. One we took, I think, 40 pips ka sell, and the other we just took it out at 2021, 10 pips or something. So both of them, but we had a winner. We had the 70 pips ka winner. I think both of the two trades that we did were in the morning were risk-free, right? So there's that. Yeah, today consolidation में है, we couldn't do anything too much. Like yesterday, we did a lot of pips, 800 pips almost. Today mostly all risk freeze and 150 pips ka scalp, 70 pips ka scalp. But I think this trade should work out. 20 pips ka SL है. There's more possibility that it will take out that 20 pips as well. But reward तो ज़्यादा है. So depending upon your 7 is to 7.1 is to 7.5 ka reward, you can do it accordingly. Okay. And I told you, na, कि 30 के बाद भी it can go up, and now it's showing you that. But yeah, you can take a scalp. Hmm, कहाँ लोगे फिर? 35 पे लोगे? Ideally, you should take it from 31, but I don't think selling is the best thing to do right now. Okay, that's all, guys. Great session we had. Made some pips in the positive, and no negative trades today. No, one negative trade. 40 pips का, and all risk freeze only. Risk free में तो we're getting some pips or zero SL, so I think there's no comments on that. ठीक है, to into the week with how many pips are we up? Today overall पे I think 50 pips. कल we were 250 गया ना? 250 pips yesterday, and no, 150 pips yesterday, 150, 50, 200. We're 200 pips into the week, guys. Let's keep the momentum up. Let's see what we can do. At least 500 from this week. Price action is uh, not that great, I would say. So I think compared to the other traders, we're probably doing a lot well, and clearly we're winning. All right. So that's all. Take care. Bye bye. We'll meet you in the next section tomorrow. Until then, keep trading. Trade with Mazze. Please do subscribe to our Telegram channel. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel where I within this year, of course, I'll be live every day, every trading day. Mm, to put it simply. Okay. Take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.